Hi everyone, welcome to our third part for our introductory topics for integral calculus. So now we are going to proceed with the other transcendental functions. So now we're on our part 3. Same course outcome and intended learning outcome. So for our topic outline, today we are going to discuss about logarithmic exponential functions, inverse trigonometric, hyperbolic, and inverse hyperbolic functions. So before we proceed with those other transcendental functions, we are going to start with our review problems. So we have 3 review problems from our previous topic, which is the chain rule, right? So now if we are asked to evaluate integral of x dx over quantity 4 plus x squared to the power of 3 halves. So for our solution, we are going to use the method of substitution, no, or chain rule. So we let u be equal to 4 plus x squared. So if we are going to derive u, the derivative of this one is 2x dx. Or shall we say, if we are going to reciprocate the 2, since ang makita nato din sa itong problem is x dx man siya na, so we will use this 1/2 du is equal to x dx para ma-substitute nato din ini. Para ma-apply lang nato easily ang power rule. So, reminder lang, sa uban book, sa uban na mga exam siguro, mangita sila sa term ani no, kining atong gibutang din which is 1/2, usahay ginatawag siya og neutralizing factor or NF. Okay? So, the integral of x dx over quantity 4 plus x squared to the power of 3 halves is equal to, kung ato na ni siya gidaritso na nako siya og pasaka no, u to the power of negative 3 halves times 1/2 du. Okay? So, kung atong i-rewrite nato siya, ipagawas nato ang coefficient pang 1/2. So we have 1/2 integral of u to the power of negative 3 halves du. Okay, so dali na lang nato i-apply ang power rule for integration. So 1/2 times u to the power of 3 halves plus 1 over negative 3 halves plus 1 plus c. Okay? So, if we simplify it, the answer, it is equal to 1/2 times u to the negative 1/2 over negative 1/2 plus c. So, pag ato nining further simplification nato, no, kini, musaka man siya, i-reciprocate nato siya. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so negative 1. So, negative u to the negative 1/2 plus c. Where u, ato na siya balikan, where u is equal to 4 plus x squared. So the final answer is negative 4 plus quantity of 4 plus x squared to the power of negative 1/2. So if we rewrite it, so the answer is negative 1 over square root of 4 plus x squared plus c. Okay, so let's proceed with our review problem number 2, still on using the chain rule. So, at least daghan na mo reference na mga problems, no? So, integral of 6x dx over square root of x squared plus 4. So, for our solution, let u be equal to x squared plus 4. Then, du, if we derive x squared, it is 2x dx. Or if we rewrite it, it will be 1/2 du is equal to x dx. So, ato rin yung balhin na nato sa pika sa yang left side. Okay? So, Magbantay lang ta dinhi sa ato ang ginabuhat dinhi sa substitution na part, okay? Dapat kung ato siyang, for example, kini one half kanang, for example, kung complicated na siya, be sure lang gyud nga wala tay gibuhat like inequalities, wala tay gidugang dara nga dili mo pantay sa isa. Okay? Sa left o sa right side. Kung magdugang ta sa left side, dapat magdugang ta sa right side. Inana lang siya. Recall your algebra. So, integral of 6x dx over square root of x squared plus 4 is equal to, since ang atong gibuhat dinhi is, di ba, kini siya, gilet u man nato, so mahimo na ni siya og square root of u. Di ba? So, 6x, so 6, napagyapon si 6, tapos si x dx is equal to 1 half du. So, nahimo siya 6. Ato din yung gisaka si square root of u. So, nahimo siya 6u to the power of negative 1 half. Okay? So, mura ragya po na siya 6 over u to the power of 1 half. So, ato lang siyang ipasaka sa numerator, mauning nahimo siya negative. So, times 1 half du. 1 half du. Since kini, gilisdan man na kini siya, si x dx, gilisdan na to siya 1 half du. So i-simplify sa nato ang integral na function. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 integral of u to the power of negative 1 half du. Okay? So negative 1 half plus 1 is positive 1 half. So u to the power of positive 1 half over positive 1 half plus c. So, kung ato pang i-further simplify, no, it is equal to 6u to the power of 1 half plus c, where our value of u is x squared plus 4. So, our final answer is 6 square root of x squared plus 4 plus c. So, dili gyud nato limtan ang plus c, or our arbitrary constant of integration. So, review problem number 3. So, evaluate the integral of x squared, quantity 5 plus 2x cubed to the power of 8 dx. So, for the solution, so let u be equal to 5 plus 2x cubed. So, kasagara gyud na ginalet u plus katong nasa sulod sa quantity, no? Unless nga naa kay trigonometric, medyo tricky ang trigonometric na function. Anyway, balik ta, let u be equal to 5 plus 2x cubed. So, the derivative of 5 plus 2x cubed is 3 times 2 is 6, x, and minus 1 is 2. So, du is equal to 6x squared dx. Or, we rewrite it para ma-satisfy nato ning given dinhi, naman tayo nabilin nga x squared dx. So, i-rewrite nato siya, balhin nato si 1/6. So, we have 1/6 du is equal to x squared dx. So, our neutralizing factor here is 1/6. So, integral of x squared quantity 5 plus 2x cubed to the power of 8 dx is equal to integral of u to the power of 8, since 5 plus 2x cubed is u, ato man siya gilat. So, u to the power of 8 times kining x squared dx, ato man siyang gibuhat as equal to 1/6 du. So, times 1/6 du. So, we rewrite it as 1/6 integral of u to the power of 8 du. So, we perform the integration process. Then we have 1/6 times u to the power of 8 plus 1, which is 9, over 8 plus 1, which is 9, plus c. So, we simplify and substitute the value of u. So, where u is 5 plus 2x cubed. So our final answer is 6 times 9, 54. Tapos atong value ni u which is 5 plus 2x cubed to the power of 9 plus c. So that is our final answer. So mag-proceed na ta. So natay ang akong gidugang diri gibalik na ko sa simple trigonometric functions no. Since during atong first nato nga lecture, we use the value of ax. Karon i-introduce na ko aning value ni u since we are using the chain rule naman dinhi. So same lang gyapon ang ilahang mga properties no atong akong i-discuss atong first topic na to, nailisdan lang ang variable u. So, cosecant, tali mga additional dinhi ng mga trigonometric functions. So, write this on your power notes or sa inyong mga notebook para dali ito ninyo maskan. So, mag-proceed na ta sa example number 1 using the trigonometric functions. Manaanay substitution method. So for example number 1, we are asked to evaluate the integral of sine square root of x over square root of x dx. So for our solution, magbalik na sa dalit, u be equal to square root of x. So the derivative of square root of x is, or du is equal to 1/2 square root of 1/2 over square root of x. Okay? So, sa ato pa, x to the power of negative 1/2 na siya. Or, if we rewrite it, it is equal to 2 du is equal to 1 over square root of x dx. So dili lang ta maglibog din higit sa ato ang substitution no? Kay kasagara, diri ra ba gyud ma-confuse kung anong ingunan niun ang pagporma. So, pangitaon lang gid nato dinhi mura ra mo siya puzzle class ba nga kini sin kining square root of u gihimo na nato siya u so mahimo na ni siya sin u ang mabilin is 1 over square root of x dx so mura tag mangita pud og ma-substitute nato ani nga in terms of u dili in terms of x kay dili man pwede nga multivariable. So instead of writing 1 over square root of x dx we will input 2 du. Okay? So, yun ana lang siya. So, balik ta, integral of sine square root of x over square root of x dx is now equal to integral of sine u times 2 du. Okay? So, i-simplify na to siya to integral of sine u du. Then we can easily perform the trigonometric function process for integration. No? So, 2 negative cosine u plus c. So, balikan na gud nato dinhi sa tungkuan. So, kini atong gigamit. 2, so, negative cosine u plus c. So, where u is equal to square root of x, so ikot na nato siya substitute to attain our final answer which is negative 2 cosine square root of x plus c. So, our example number 2, evaluate the integral of sine x square root of 1 minus cosine x dx. So, for the solution, let u be equal to 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x. Then, the derivative of that is sine x dx. Okay, the derivative of negative cos x is positive sine x dx. So, the integral of sine x square root of 1 minus cos x dx is equal to integral of square root of u du or u to the power of 1/2, right? So, u to the power of 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. So, nag-perform lang ta sa power rule for integration. So, para ma-simplify, we have 2/3 of, since 1 half plus 1 is 3 halves, tapos reciprocate siya. So we have 2/3 u to the 3 halves. U to the power of 3 halves plus c, where the value of our u is 1 minus cos x. So therefore, our final answer is 2/3 quantity 1 minus cos x to the power of 3 halves plus c. So for our last example for this trigonometric function using chain rule, no? So evaluate integral of cos x over 2 plus 3 sine x dx. So we let u be equal to 2 plus 3 sine x. Then our du is equal to 3 cos x dx. Or we rewrite it as 1/3 du is equal to cos x dx. So ato lang ang gibutan din eh. So 1/3 du is equal to cos x dx. So dali na lang ang ato ang pag-solve kung magamit ta ani method of substitution. So integral of cos x over 2 plus 3 sine x dx will now be equal to 1/3, 1 over u, since kung ato siyang gibulag no 1 over u times 1/3 du. Okay, so si cos dx man daw, so kini siya, mura siya naulog nga kini, isa na sila ka family, kini siya gilain. So, nemo siya 1 over u times 1/3 du. So, rewrite it as 1/3 integral of 1 over u du. So, balikan nato itong properties natong na-discuss the other week. So, 1 over u means we have an ln value, no, or logarithmic. So 1 over 3 or 1/3 ln absolute value of u plus c. So nana siya dado sa ato ang table ato week 1 nato nga topic. So balikan na nato where u is equal to 2 plus 3 sine x. So ingon ani dapat gyud yung solution class naka step by step process. So our final answer is ln absolute value of 2 plus 3 sine x over 3 plus c. So that ends our trigonometric functions na example using chain rule.